to Camus World! Hi everyone, I received this package from the brand Totwoo. I want to say thank you to Emma for sending these bracelets as well as the earrings. So let's unbox and show you how they look like. This is the Sun and Moon, which is the most popular collection of Totwoo's main product line, the Totwoo Love, where smart technology and expert craftsmanship meet. Totwoo Love brings innovation and playfulness to jewelry like no other. With touch messages, love never feels far away. By a private online space for you and your loved one, making you feel love and touch through every glow and vibration, Totwoo helps you build a deeper connection with your loved one more than ever. They also provide you one charger per bracelet. You can also personalize your jewelry with your chosen charms. Next is the Totwoo Moon and Star Earring. The Moon and Star design earring blends the radiance of the moon with stars from the universe, adorning them with carefully selected zirconia stones, each stone resembling a twinkling star that is delicately set upon the golden surface, creating a breathtaking shimmer. It is handcrafted with meticulous care and polished to perfection. The design is exquisite and dazzling. They also provide you a paper bag just in case you want to give this jewelry as a gift. This is how it looks like when it's charging. Just download the app of Totwoo and you can customize the color and vibration of your bracelet. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!